time. I know a lot. I know a lot is on the way. There is the third project you initiated. We want to get some water from Notresh, from Kayado, all the way in an independent line up to this place. And I know that is in the process. And lastly, Governor, I know Thwake Dam is ongoing, and we are still expecting that water to be distributed to this area. Thank you, and may God bless you, and we pray for you. And I assure you there are no stones around.
Thank you. Thank you. We also have members of County Assembly. Could you please be upstanding? There's only one. Yes, members of the County Assembly from this area, led by Mr. Justus Mwanzia. Wapigieni makofi hao. I know you are sending me notes so that people speak. But you know, the president has given me direction. So unless you lodge an appeal, hawezi kubali. Now, the area MP has spoken. Now, Your Excellency, there's a gentleman, if you remember in 2003, who sued you. He's here, he's now a senator of Makueni. This one. And because of Senator Manzo, he gave me the privilege, by suing you, for me to defend you. In 2003, when he lodged a suit on behalf of Ruben Chesire. We now also have in our presence the two deputy governors. I'll ask them to come. Deputy Governor Mr. Moshisho, on behalf of the Governor of Kajiado, Deputy Governor Mwangangi, please come, both of you. On behalf of Governor Wavinya, we have the Deputy Governor of Makueni. Where are you? Former County Commissioner. 3. Kuja. Could the Makueni cabinet please stand? Makueni cabinet, wako wapi? Oh, mumekaa nyuma. That is the Makueni cabinet. I have seen the chair of Tanathi. Chair of Tanathi water, wako wapi? Yes, Mheshimiwa Regina. Now, His Excellency the President has said, musalimiani.
Asante.
Kwanza wewe.
Asante sana. Your Excellency, our President, Dr. William Samoei Ruto.